Pruning your rose bushes not only removes dead wood, but helps them keep their shape and produce more flowers. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to prune roses. Using clean, sharp tools, start making cuts at the bottom of the bush and work your way up. To avoid cutting away too much, prune lightly at first. You can always cut more away later, and most mistakes will grow back just fine. Cut at a 45-degree angle, about 1/4 inch above buds that face away from the center of the bush. Prune is needed to open up the center of the bush. This allows good air circulation, which can help discourage pests and diseases. Remove any suckers that sprout from the roots, cutting as close to the main root as possible. You may have to remove some soil to get to them. Prune dead wood back to living tissue. You'll recognize it by its green bark and white pith core. Also, remove any shriveled, diseased, or broken wood and any branches that rub across or cross each other. Snip off clusters of spent flowers. Remove pencil-width spindly canes and any unwanted foliage that is with them. Cover the ends of the pruned canes and the sucker cuts with a dab of white glue. This will help the plant recover quickly and protect against pests. Walk around your plants to be sure your cuts are balanced and the bush has a symmetrical shape. Clean up around your plants and discard any pruned materials. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.